Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude 2.0. Today we discuss about divisions with any three digits. Suppose here I am taken as example 985438 can means divided with 932. So without knowing the table of 932, how we can manage with the help of 9 table. Already we know that the division is always calculated from my left hand side to right hand side. Here having left hand side digit is what? 9 now. So now here already we know the previous cases which digit I am giving on my left hand side in divisor is taken as like that. After that, how many digits was left which are taken as suffix? The dividend which I am giving is written as individual digit, have a separate of common space. After that, how many digits having suffix on divisor part, such digits after from your right hand side take a partition. Now this is known as a remainder or decimal part. This is known as your quotient part. Just now we can manage with 9 table. 9 divides with 9 how many times? 1 time. After having anything is left? No. Now after that taken suffix leftmost digit and here 1. 3 can multiply with 1, I am getting what? 3. Just simply here 8 minus 3, that is what? 5. 8 minus 3, 5. Now here having what? 5. 5 can divide with 9? No. Just here I am taking 0. Here I am taking 5. Okay. Now here having what? One more suffix digit, here having one more quotient digit. Just simply the suffix digits and the new quotient part is taken. Just we do cross multiplication like this. 3 0 0 and 2 1 2. Now the value is what? 2. Just from here 55 we subtracted 2. Now here having what? 53. Now look at once. 53 can divide with 9 how many times? 5 times now. So just here I am taking 5. 9 5 is 45 and leaves remainder what? 8. Here we taken as 8. Now the value become 84. Now again the suffix and the new quotient along with previous digit, because we are having 2 digits. After that just we have to take in cross multiplication. 3 5 are 15 and 2 0 0. From 84, 15 is to be subtracted. Now 14 minus 5 9 and 7 minus 1 6. Now we are having what? 69. 9 divides 69 how many times? 7 times now. 9 7 are 63. Which leaves remainder what? 6. Now after that again similar concept. 32 under the new quotient part along with its previous digit we have to take like this. After just we have to do cross multiplication. 3 7 are 21 and 2 5 are 10. 21 plus 10 31. The 31 value is separated from here 63 value. Minus 31. Now 3 minus 1 2, 6 minus 3 2. Now we are having 32. 32 divided with 9 how many times? 3 times. 9 3 are 27 and leaves remainder 5. Now again 32 under we should take in 3 and its previous value 7. Now again we do the cross multiplication. 3 3 are 9 plus 2 7 are 14. 14 plus 9 23. Now from 58 again 23 is to be subtracted. 8 minus 3 5. 5 minus 2 3. Now we are having 35. 35 again makes divided with 9 how many times? Again 3 times. Now here I am taking like this. So we will do the same thing. So further digit is not there, that is to be taken as 0. Just verification part I am taking. 32 under now 33. Do the same thing. 9 3 are 27 and leaves remainder 8. Now do the cross multiplication. 3 3 are 9 and 3 2 are 6. 15. From 80 15 is to be subtracted. That is 65. Again 9 divides 7 times. Now your answer is to be 1057.337. Suppose the answer is only in 2 decimal after the approximate value is taken as 1057.34. That is your answer. Okay. So this is the division with any 3 digits. Next, one more example here I am giving. 698543 can means divided with 624. What happened? Similar concept. So the left hand side is 6 I am taking in its divisor part. The extra digit was taken as suffix. The dividend which is given as taken as individual numbers have some space. In suffix how many digits is given, such digits after from your right hand side taken as a partition like this. After that here we have to perform like this. This part already we know that quotient part. This part now we call as a decimal part. So look at 6 divides with 6 in how many times? 1 time. Nothing to be left. Now here having 2 and here 1. 2 1 are 2. 9 minus 2. 7. Again 7 divided with 6 in how many times? 1 time, and which is remainder 1. Now here 2 4 under we should take in 1 1 and 2 cross multiplication. 2 1 are 2 plus 4 1 are 4 6 and 6 is to be subtracted from here. Now the value is what? 12. Actually 12 means divided in how many times? 6 2 times. But when I am taken as 2, look at here 2 4 under we need to be taken as 1 2. 2 2 are 4 and 4 1 are 4. That is 8. Here having only 5. So 5 from 8 is not subtracted. So that's why here we should not taken as a 2. So only I am taking 6 divides 1 time, and which is remainder 6. Again 2 4 under we should taken 1 1. 2 1 are 2 plus 4 2 are 4 1 are 4. 2 plus 4 6. 65 minus 6. That is 59. Now 6 divides 59 and how many times? 9 times. 6 9 are 54 and leaves remainder 5. Now 2 4 under we should take in 1 9. Now we do cross multiplication. 2 9 are 18 and 4 1 are 4. 18 plus 4 22 and 54 minus 22. 4 minus 2 2. 5 minus 2 3. 6 divides 32 in 5 times. Here I am taken like this. Now 2 4 under we should take in 9 5. 2 5 are 10 and 9 4 are 36. 36 plus 10 what? 46. So here having only 23. Is it subtracted from 23? No. So that's why here we should not take in as 5. Just here I am taking 4. 6 4 are 24 and leaves remainder 8. Now here I am taking 9 5 4. 2 4 are 8 and 4 9 are 36. 36 plus 8 44. From 83 we should subtract 44. Now 13 minus 4 9 and 7 minus 4 3. Now here having 6 is now your answer is 1119.46. So if you have a calculator, even we can verify 624 into 111.46 is being approximately equal to 698543. Okay, thanks.